Hey guys, it's Tiffany and I'm really excited to share today's video with you. I'm going to show you how to make the summer drink of 2020. You guys are probably aware that the NHL playoffs are set to resume in two hub cities. It will be held in Toronto as well as Edmonton. So as a tribute to this event, I thought I would make some cocktails using the Pink Whitney vodka. The Pink Whitney was created by Whitney in partnership with Amsterdam Vodka to create one of his favorite drinks, the pink lemonade. If you guys didn't know, Whitney is a former hockey defenseman and has played for the Penguins, Oilers, Ducks, as well as the Florida Panthers. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 variations of how I'll be drinking the Pink Whitney this summer. Let's get into it. Start with a glass filled with ice and add 3 ounces of club soda. I'm going to call this one the Whitney Collins. It's your spin on the classic Tom Collins, but instead of gin, we'll be using, of course, the Pink Whitney vodka. This is really simple, uses only 4 ingredients, tastes like pink lemonade, and just perfect for the summer months. Add 1.5 ounces of Pink Whitney. If you can, it's always best to use freshly squeezed lemon juice. So here I'm adding 1 ounce to my glass. Add 3/4 ounce of house-made simple syrup, which is equal parts granulated sugar and water. Give it a quick stir and that's it, the Whitney Collins. Quick, simple, and delicious. Next up, we have the Pink Basil Smash. Throw a handful of strawberries along with a few leaves of basil into your shaker and press them with a muddle to get the juices from the strawberries while releasing the oils from the basil. Strawberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which I think we can all benefit from at this moment. I'm going to add 2 ounces of strawberry peach juice. I'll also leave some other juice options that complement the Pink Whitney in the description box down below, so give those a try as well. 1 ounce of Pink Whitney, 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and 1 ounce of Limoncello liqueur. This is optional, but I find that it adds a balanced sweetness and citrus flavor to our drink. Add some ice and give it a good shake. Fill your cocktail glass with some ice and strain your cocktail into your tumbler. You can fine strain this if you want, but I personally don't mind the added texture from the strawberry bits. And lastly, garnish with some basil, and this completes your Pink Basil Smash. It's fresh with a bit of tartness balanced with some sweetness, making it a great cocktail for the warmer months. This next one is probably my favorite. And if I'm being honest, I don't typically like watermelon, so if you like them, you're going to love this. Dice up your melon. If you can't get fresh, you can likely find watermelon juice at your grocery store. I'm going to juice the watermelon and remove the pulp. Put it in the freezer and take them out once they're frozen into these watermelon cubes. Throw about 2 handfuls of watermelon cubes into your blender. We don't need to be exact from here on out, so adjust your watermelon to vodka ratio based on your preference. 1.5 ounces of Pink Whitney would be a good start, or a little more if you're making this on a weekend. Add a 3/4 ounce of lime juice. Add 1 ounce of Saint Germain elderflower liqueur. I absolutely love this stuff. It adds a honeysuckle-like sweetness and has a fruity, peachy citrus flavor and a subtle hint of floral. Blend everything together and pour it into a coupe glass. Garnish with a lime, a slice of watermelon with a sprig of mint, and all you have to do now is kick back and enjoy. This is one of the most refreshing drinks I've ever had. Watermelon has many health benefits and rich in nutrients including lycopene and vitamin C. It's also super hydrating, which you'll need if you're going to be drinking. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!